Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi booster for your home. First, let's talk about placement. A Wi-Fi booster works by extending your existing wireless signal, helping to eliminate those annoying dead zones. For the best results, place your booster roughly halfway between your main router and the area where your Wi-Fi signal is weakest. Remember to keep it away from large metal objects or thick concrete walls, as these can interfere with its performance. Make sure it's still within a good range of your main router. Setting up your Wi-Fi booster is usually a straightforward process. Begin by plugging the booster into a power outlet and waiting for its indicator lights to show it's ready. Next, use a computer or smartphone to connect to the booster's temporary wireless network. You'll then access its web interface, often through a specific IP address or a dedicated mobile application. Simply follow the clear, on-screen instructions to link it to your existing home Wi-Fi network, and you'll be good to go. To truly optimize your Wi-Fi booster's performance, consider a few key tips. Positioning it at a height of at least 3 to 5 feet off the floor can significantly improve signal spread. Always keep its firmware updated. This ensures you have the latest features and best stability. If you need faster speeds, look for a dual-band booster, which operates on both 2.4 and 5 GHz frequencies. Finally, test your signal in different rooms to find the absolute best spot for your device. Even with the best setup, you might encounter a few hiccups. If your booster loses connection, a simple restart of both the booster and your main router often resolves the issue. Double-check that the booster isn't placed too far from your primary router, as it still needs a decent signal to extend. Also, be mindful of potential interference from other electronics, such as microwaves. If problems persist, performing a factory reset on your booster can often clear up stubborn issues, giving you a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.